Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. Being a YouTube content creator, you notice a lot of trends. And so these are things that are very important that you should definitely pay attention to. And so today I'm going to be talking about my top 5 YouTube trends in 2018. Starting with big companies. If you spend any time on the YouTube homepage, especially here in the United States, you're going to see a lot of big companies. You'll see things like the Jimmy Kimmel Show, Saturday Night Live, the Ellen Show. You see a lot of big celebrities like Will Smith who are now on YouTube. And it's no mistake that they're on YouTube because YouTube is actually the second largest search engine in the world. And so there is a lot of traffic coming to YouTube. So what that means for businesses is that there is potentially a huge market for them to advertise and market to. And so Google AdWords is the primary marketing ad platform used on YouTube and many other places. So there's a huge opportunity there, and it's not going to get any smaller. There's going to be a lot more big companies advertising on this platform. So number 4, obviously, is there's more competition. And so if you are going to be starting a YouTube channel in 2018, there are literally millions of YouTube channels on there all around the world, and there's many more popping up every single day. And much like the big companies thing, the competition is not going to get less. There's going to be more of it because there's more people on YouTube. More countries are actually getting access to the internet as well. So number 3, and it goes along with the whole competition thing, is that there's going to be more work required to make it on YouTube. And so it's not as simple as just putting up a viral cat video anymore. Those days were long gone. And so you're going to have to spend way more hours. You're going to have to learn a lot more things just to get attention. And even if you have a lot of subscribers, a lot of views, there's no guarantees that you are going to be ranked near the top or be shown videos whenever people are watching all the other videos. You're not going to be guaranteed any suggestions or recommendations. And so there's definitely a lot more work involved to do YouTube in 2018. So number 2, to go along with that, you're doing more work, but you're definitely going to get paid less. If you are a YouTube content creator, you know that there has been a lot of algorithm changes, and there'll always be algorithm changes. And one of the biggest changes is that you're not going to be seen as much, and so that means that your potential to make money, if you primarily depend on YouTube views to make money through ads, through AdWords, then you're going to be making less money. That's plain and simple. And if you even look at the very big channels, even they are getting less views, and so less attention, and so i.e. less money. That's if you primarily depend on ads for your revenue. Which leads me to the number 1 trend in YouTube in 2018, and all of it leads up to this, and that is brand marketing. If you notice, a lot of YouTube channels, they're more focused on brand, whether it's their name, whether it's something like my channel, which is Geek Outdoors. Brand marketing is the most important thing you need to do because of all those things that I just talked about earlier. There's more work involved, there's more competition. You're going to make less money if you primarily depend on ads as your way of running your business on YouTube. And so it's essential that you learn marketing. And the most important thing that you learn is brand marketing. Brand marketing has been around way before the internet, way before YouTube. If you look at any business, they heavily require marketing to actually make sales. And so if you are thinking about doing YouTube as more than just a hobby, you're going to have to learn marketing. You're going to have to learn business skills along with all the other technical skills that come along with it. And so that is it for my top 5 YouTube trends in 2018. And so definitely these things are in constant change. And so maybe by the end of 2018, things might change by then, but I really don't see that changing. So these are the top things that I've seen. And so if you are a YouTube content creator, or maybe you're on another platform, let me know some of the trends that you've seen. And I'd also like to know some of your thoughts, whether it's good or bad. Leave them in the comments area below. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Go Content Creators group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Go Content Creators group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to geekoutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.